Welcome to HushApp, a file transfer application that helps you send and receive any file in an easy and secure way. When you enter the application, you can use your Gmail account or your email. Now notice we are on the main page. From here you can share files by selecting them on your device. Then you can select the contacts you would like to share the file with. If desired, there is a Add a Note Attached option to provide your contacts with a message included along with the file. This note can be read only by you and your recipient. Just like that, you have already made a protected transfer thanks to HushApp. You can track the status of your transfer by going to the tab Transfers Sent. You see, here is the information from the transfer that was just sent. In the Receive tab, you can control the transfers that your contacts send you and download the files on your device in zip format if there are several files, or individually if you prefer. Your contacts also have a section within the application so you can manage them as you prefer. You can add your contacts, delete the contacts you do not use, and also invite your colleagues to join our community. But how? By placing the email addresses of the people you want to invite and selecting the option for them to receive your invitation. If someone is already a user of HushApp, they will be added automatically to your list of contacts. HushApp also allows you to send files to clients and suppliers even if they are not users of the application. In this case, choose the files you want to send, add the email address of the unregistered recipient, and define a password for this user, which only you will know and that you will have to share by some alternative means. You can also send them an encrypted note with some clarification or comment. Done! Another transfer successfully made. Remember that you must send the password to the recipient of the message. HushApp will never know the key you choose and cannot see your files either. The recipient of the transfer, who is not registered in the application, will receive an email notifying them that they have received the transfer through HushApp. You just have to click on the link and your browser will open a window. From there, you will have to enter the password and click on the Decrypt button to download the files. As simple as that. If you like the experience, your contact can register in the application in the same window. Any additional questions, contact us through support@hushapp.io.